not get true, but I still keep loving you. No fate brought you back to me. This time I won't let you leave. I'm holding on to you forever and never letting go. That time I spent away from you was time that made me see I need to live this life with you. I need to hear with me. It would take a strong wind to take me from your arms again, to take me from your side. It would take a strong wind to pull away this heart of mine, to make us break apart this time. It would take a strong wind. Hearts sometimes lose their way, but they find their way back someday to the arms they need. And I need you like the air I breathe. The time I spent away from you was time lost in the rain. I'm meant to live this life with you. It's something nothing can change, and it would take a strong wind to take me from your arms again, to take me from your side. It would take a strong wind to pull away this heart of mine, to make us break apart this time. It would take a strong wind. It would take a strong wind to take me from your arms again, to take me from your side. It would take a strong wind to pull away this heart of mine, to make us break apart this time. It would take a strong wind. It would take a strong